Hello friends, welcome to CAD modeling. Today we are going to sketch the beautiful flower pot. So watch the video till end. First of all, go to front plane, go to sketch, select line, right from here. Okay, select smart dimension, select line and make it 60 mm. Select spline, start from here. Draw a curve like this. First of all, draw the curve and then we have to adjust it. Okay, press escape. Now we have to make it proper. Okay. Here is also little bit. You can make up to your choice. Now select line right from here. Okay, now close it. We have to revolve it. Okay, I'm making it proper. Okay, little bit here. Now it's looking proper. Okay, little bit here. Okay, now exit the sketch. Now go to feature, select revolve boss command, select this as axis. Okay, now select this face, go to sketch, make normal. Now select polygon, make 3 edges. Now draw it on this point. Okay, flip it. Okay, like this. Click OK. Okay, exit the sketch. Now select front plane, go to sketch, make normal. Now select convert entities, select this edge. Okay. Okay, now go to sweep boss command, select this sketch. Our curve is already selected. Okay. Okay, it's done. Select here align with end faces. Okay, now go to circular pattern, select this sweep, select here this edge. Okay, and make it 20 number of patterns. Okay. Okay, now go to insert, feature, select flex command, select this face and select here twisting and enter 280 degree. Okay, okay, it's done. Okay, looking proper. Our design is ready. Now select shell, select this face and make it 3.5 mm. Okay. Okay, look, it's ready. Now select this whole body, go to appearances and here go to organic material and select wood. If you like this, select this, otherwise you select. Okay, thanks for watching friends.